Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove and replace the entire front bumper from any Audi A3 8P out there. Doesn't matter exactly which year it is. For example, today I am working with this Audi A3 from the year 2011, and on this vehicle I'll have to replace the AC radiator from the front side of the vehicle. And because of that, I decided to make a video and show you all how to completely remove or replace the front bumper from this kind of vehicle. So the first thing which you'll have to do to begin and start working on the car is to lift the vehicle up and place it on a jack stand. Then I recommend you all to remove the front wheels completely and place them away, just to make sure that you'll have enough space and room to work with, because you'll have to remove some bolts from the inside of the wheel arch area, and if the wheels are still mounted over the vehicle, it will be very difficult for you to reach the bolts and remove them. So just remove the front wheels, remove the bolts which are securing the front bumper attached to the front fenders, and after that you'll have to go underneath the front bumper. You'll have to remove around 6 or 7 bolts in total, which are securing the front bumper attached to the undercarriage of the vehicle. And then in the last part you'll have to open the hood. You'll have to remove the 3 bolts which are securing the center grille attached to the top part of the vehicle. And then the only thing which you have left to do is to pull out the front bumper. Make sure to disconnect all the connectors from the inside of the front bumper. And in my case, for example, this vehicle is not equipped with a lot of options. The front bumper, it's only equipped with a headlight washer system and with front fog lights. But in your case, if your vehicle is equipped with a lot of options, you can possibly have parking sensors and other systems installed into the front bumper. So just be very carefully when you want to pull it out. Make sure to pull it out very slowly and then disconnect all the connectors, and only then you can place it on the ground. And right here, those are the 3 bolts which I just told you earlier that you have to remove completely to release the bumper out from the vehicle. Okay everybody, so with all of these things being said, let's get right into the job. In my case, I already managed to lift the vehicle up and place it on a jack stand. I also removed the front wheels completely and I placed them away on the ground. So from this moment, just sit back, relax, and watch exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, because in this way, you are also going to learn how to do it yourself at home and with regular tools. After you are done with removing all the bolts which are securing the front bumper attached to the vehicle, you'll have to pull it forward like I just did right here. And in my case, for example, I only have to disconnect the connectors for the fog lights because this vehicle doesn't have any other options. But in your case, if you have, for example, parking sensors or other options installed into the front bumper, make sure to disconnect them and only then pull the bumper out and place it on the ground. As all can see right here, the front bumper is completely removed and placed away from the vehicle. Those are all the things and all the steps which you have to do and follow if you want to completely remove or replace the front bumper from any Audi A3, HP AUDI, doesn't matter exactly which year it is. Thank you all very much for watching. If you like the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.